Please.
Oh my god.
Please.
What?
Thank you.
Jesus.
Oh my gosh. Alright, you'll have to bear with me. Hopefully you can hear me. The wind is blowing Mach 5 today. So I apologize in advance for probably the audio that there will be today. Saturday of the last weekend of Teal season here. We got 4 guys today. We got Micah, Dakota, and then Terrell's back. My dad was supposed to come, but he wasn't feeling good. We've gotten, it's not very cold, but we have gotten a push of birds for sure. There's a lot more birds out here than there were a couple of days ago. We've been listening to birds get up all morning, and we've been listening to them talk, and we're still an hour from shooting light. And you don't? It's loud. Charles trying to get in the picture. I mean, you could be over here, it's just you're loud. Come here. Good dog.
Oh, okay.
Oh, good. There's Terrell.
What's up, cuz?
Turn your light off so that you're not blind to the camera. Anyways, as I was saying, we've been listening to a lot of birds this morning. I think we'll do pretty well. I think we'll shoot a 4-man pretty quick. Last time we were in this spot, we shot a 3-man in an hour. And honestly, we could have been done sooner than that, but it's whatever. So, hopefully we get a few. Hopefully you stick around for the rest of the video. Hopefully the next thing you see is us shooting some ducks. So.
Oh, you will.
What do you think is going to happen this morning, Terrell?
4-man limit.
Yeah?
I could shoot to the mallard.
Okay, things not to say on camera during Teal season.
He won't shoot a mallard.
So.
He is a good boy.
Stay tuned. Hopefully we kill some ducks. Oh, shit. Oh, gosh. That was a widgeon. Might be a big duck. I'm not sure. Right here. What? These two right up front, Micah. See him? Shooting way behind him.
Am I?
Yep. Coming in well. Coming in well. Damn it. Oh shoot. Right here, right here.
I told you.
Right in front.
Got a shot.
3 from behind us, about to come over our heads. First shot.
What?
Oh, someone right here. big group is still working. Get your head down a little bit more. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Good shot.
Got that one. That one's mine.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Who got this one?
What?
Who got this one? There's 2 down.
Got that one. Unless he doesn't believe he hit it.
Oh, they just don't like something. Oh, right here, right here, right here. Thank you.
God.
Swinging. They might. There's a single coming in from the left. All right, you see it? Trail this single. Right here, right here. Someone kill that. Kill that single. Right, no, not those. That. Please,
Oh my God.
please.
What?
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Huh?
I hit it too. I hit it too. More out back. More out back.
It's gonna come right over. Go. Good shot.
You happy?
Yeah, that was better. Oh, those birds got up. Shoot at him, shoot at him. Yeah, you did. Oh, shit. Dakota, right here, right here, right here. Shoot him. Good shot, Dakota. It's dead. There you go, bud. To the left, Dakota. Right above the reeds, they're coming in. Get ready, boys, get ready. Go. Good shot, Terrell. It's probably dead right there. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Who got that one? You got that?
End up, end up.
Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh my God, Dakota.